continues at a rapid pace at Jacksonville Country Day School. The front windows of the main office and the head of school office were dismantled and carefully slipped out of their places. The cold water pipes were laid in a trench. These pipes will send chilled water from the air conditioning system located behind the kindergarten classrooms all the way to the science lab, where they come up out of the floor. A simple water pressure test assured that everything was connected just right. The big hole in the floor was filled in, awaiting more work to be done in the near future. Air conditioning ducts are being installed in the ceilings, carefully bolted in and sealed airtight. The crew from JEA are making sure our electrical systems are robust enough to meet the requirements of the renovated building. 2 transformers will be required and will be installed on pads outside of the dining room. New wiring has been pulled throughout the building. The flooring was cut away where plugs will be installed at ground level and was eventually filled back in with cement. The inside of the building is starting to take shape as studs for the interior walls were being put in place. In the south end of the building, major work was underway.
We're getting ready to take the load-bearing walls, the block walls down in the old kitchen area to make way for our new plan layout of the new walk-in cooler and the new dressing area at the end of the old extended day.
The overhead beams were shored up with steel braces because this load-bearing wall is coming down. Be sure to watch future episodes because something big is going to happen here.